how to use would, and we make different kinds of sentences using would. So let's have a look. First is, would you like to wear it? If your sister comes to your house and you have a new top, so what would you say? Would you like to wear it? Second is, if guest comes to your house and you would say, would you like a cup of tea? Another example, would you please speak slowly? When someone is talking on phone and they speak very loudly, and you would say, would you please speak slowly? I promise myself, if I become successful, I would help others. I asked my brother, what would you do if you earn a lot of money? मुझे लगता है कि आज बारिश होगी. I think it would rain today. Another example, क्या आप ब्लॉगिंग के जरिए पैसा कमाना चाहेंगे? Would you like to earn money through blogging? I would like some fruits and salad, please. I'm on a diet. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much.